what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network, and today I am going to give you some tips and ideas on how to make a ballerina skirt. Don't worry guys, it's no sew needed. All we need is scissor and 3 pieces. Oh no, it's 4 pieces of fabric right here. Okay, so let's start. Okay, and we are already done. Okay guys, Lily finally having her stretching. Okay, don't thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time guys, our next video. Bye. Lily, what are you doing? Oh, I'm stretching, Chloe. Aren't you gonna be in this class? Well, I tried it. You are so flexible, Lily. Well, I'm gonna split a second. Ah! Oh! Okay, I'm gonna bring you to the clinic. Bye, guys!